What happened? Oh shit. Didn't put in there good enough, Captain. I think he lost his phone. Bro, what happened? What happened? Broke your phone?
Yeah.
Fuck. How'd it come out?
Dude, no fucking way.
Damn,
We
man.
just got a new screen last week.
Nuh-uh.
Literally.
Fuck.
It fucking sucks, dude.
No, man, that would ruin my day too, man. Fuck, dude. Like, and the phones are expensive. What is it? Which one is that?
It's like a 10. I literally just fucking fixed the screen, dude. Literally. Fuck.